Today we're making salted pretzel crusted pork chops. You're gonna want to make this. Let's go. The problem with making this is that I'm eating all the pretzels. Get about 2 cups of pretzels in a Ziploc bag and just crush them up. Put them in a little blender and pulverize them just a tiny bit to make them just a little bit more fine. This is what we want. Next step, grab a couple eggs. I'm gonna put a little tapatio. This is my favorite hot sauce. I'm gonna put them in the eggs and then I'm gonna whisk them up. Go ahead and get your boneless pork chops. You can do bone in, that's fine. I'm just gonna add a bit of salt on here, not too much because there's so much salt on the pretzels. I'm gonna add pepper and garlic powder. Next, you're gonna take your pork chop, dunk it in the egg first, and then your pretzel. Here's the egg, here's the pretzel, and we're gonna get it coated pretty well. I've got my cast iron heating up. I'm gonna put the pork chops in the cast iron, and we're gonna sear them, and then we're gonna put them in the oven. What? I'm waiting. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. These are all brown, seared up, and I'm gonna put in the oven 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now I'm just gonna make a sauce real quick in a bowl. And yes, I still don't wanna do dishes. Get some mayonnaise, spicy mustard, some honey, and just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This stuff is strong, so don't add too much. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and stir it up. That is ridiculous. The pork chop's internal temperature should be 145. Let them rest here for a couple minutes so the juices can go. Grab yourself a pork chop and start pouring that all over. It's tender, it's juicy, the sauce is tangy, it's gorgeous. Cut, cut, cut!